In the last 3 days, a lot of incredible things happened for Dogecoin. Let's talk about them. First, Elon Musk came out in support of Dogecoin again. He said, "I intend to personally support Dogecoin because I just know a lot of people who are not that wealthy who have encouraged me to buy and support Dogecoin, so I'm responding to those people." Musk also said that it was his own employees who asked him to champion Dogecoin, or in his words, "Just people when I walk around the factory at SpaceX or Tesla, they've asked me to support Dogecoin, so I'm doing so." But still, there's another very bad news that came out for Elon earlier this week. So, Bloomberg reported that Elon Musk, Tesla, and SpaceX are facing a $258 billion lawsuit, which alleges that Musk was part of a racketeering scheme to back the crypto. In response, he said, "I have never said that people should invest in crypto. SpaceX and Tesla and myself did all buy some Bitcoin, but it's a small percentage of our total cash assets, so not all that significant." Also, Vitalik Buterin came out in support of Dogecoin as well. So, Vitalik Buterin has given us a sneak peek into his minimalist travel style. It includes Dogecoin merch, Shiba Inu sweatpants, and a toilet paper mic stand. In one of the pictures posted by him, a Dogecoin merch was noticed by people on Twitter. And that's another really good news for Dogecoin that will bring in more ETH holders into Doge. But then there was some really bad news for Dogecoin as well. Blockchain analytics firm Elliptic claimed it had found evidence to suggest that Dogecoin was being used by illicit actors as payment for illegal activity. Basically, Dogecoin was accepted as payment by a number of child sex abuse material vendors online. While the amount of identified Dogecoin payments used by child sex abuse material vendors is relatively low at $3,000 globally, the report said that the fact that the Dogecoin adoption trend has reached this community further demonstrates the appetite for criminal actors to adopt a wide range of crypto sets in a bid to avoid notice. And then there was John Travolta, who said that Dogecoin is sexy. It's a great statement, coming from one of the most popular actors in the world. I'm sure it'll go a long way for Dogecoin. Talking about predictions, BlackRock has issued a bullish crypto prediction earlier today. They said that these cryptos will be higher than they were today. Rick Rieder, the CIO of Global Fixed Income at BlackRock, suggested that the deleveraging is contributing greatly to the massive drop in the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. He said, "When you leave rates at such low levels for such an extensive period of time, when you keep policy too easy, the leverage builds in the system / how do I capture return quickly, and you are seeing a lot of the leverage that was built up around crypto come unglued pretty darn quickly." With the recent breach of the $20,000 threshold for Bitcoin, many feel that we may now witness a large flush out to as low as $10,000. Over the last several weeks, I believe crypto has taken the great majority of people by surprise in terms of how rapidly values may fall. So we're currently at a really fragile period for crypto, and it appears like two primary groups are forming. One group argues that we're going to zero, and the opposite group argues that cryptocurrency is on an exponential growth path and that this is simply another huge correction. We'll look at 5 crucial charts in this video to understand where we're headed from here. Interestingly, they're all sending the same message about the price. As always, if you enjoyed anything in the video, please leave a like. It is always very appreciated. Now let's talk about the overall crypto market for a minute. Many astute investors view this crash as an opportunity to purchase cryptocurrency at rock-bottom costs. But at the same time, there is a lot of FUD right now, a lot of uncertainty about where it will go next, and a lot of people wonder if cryptocurrency will ever return. So now I'm going to show you 5 charts, all of which are shouting one very critical message. The first one is Bitcoin's 200-week moving average. Now, I'm a huge supporter of the 200-day moving average, but this one, the 200-week moving average, is a long-term chart, and as you'll note, it only gets violated in the largest capitulation events. It's only happened twice before, thus this is a capitulation event and a highly uncommon purchasing opportunity. The second chart is the RSI, or Relative Strength Index. The chart is also uplisted in the technical analysis to determine if the market is overpriced or undervalued. When this oscillator provides a high value, it means that we're oversold. When it provides a low value, it means that we're undervalued. As you can see, it's presently oversold. This chart dates back to the beginning of Bitcoin's history, and now it has established a new all-time low. The RSI has never been lower. Again, this is a tremendous flashing warning indicator that the market is highly oversold right now. And here's what the Fear and Greed Index is telling us about market mood right now. It's a scale of 0 to 100, and number 6 is about as low as it gets. Right now it stands at 11. This extends all the way back to February 2018, and it very seldom reaches a level below 10. Historically, it has always been the optimum moment to purchase number. We now have logarithmic regression. I'll probably make another complete video on this soon, but essentially, this follows the Bitcoin price over time in a logarithmic chart that's nicely colored and coordinated, and it indicates moments when it's overpriced or undervalued. We have reasonable value running through the center and, remarkably, in this most recent massive sell-off. It plummeted down to the very bottom level, implying that it is at a fire sale price, which again has not happened very often in Bitcoin's whole history. Finally, we have net unrealized gains and loss, which is basically unrealized, meaning that individuals haven't yet sold and whether they're in profit or loss. This is when the majority of the market is profitable, and below zero is when the majority of the market is profitable. The market average is down. Obviously, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency have seen tremendous growth, so most of the time, the market is profitable, and it's only during large capitulation events that the bulk of people are caught off guard and lose money. We can see that the massive decline has put us in the surrender zone, and most individuals are now at a loss, which doesn't happen very frequently and would indicate a terrific buying opportunity. Basically, crypto is still growing at an exponential rate, and this is merely another major correction before reaching a new all-time high. If you believe that this is just another major correction and a massive overreaction by the market, then the 5 charts we examined all scream that crypto is excessively overpriced and represents an extremely uncommon purchasing opportunity. Because the 200-week moving average is rarely violated, the RSI has reached a new all-time low. The Fear and Greed Index has reached a new low. According to the logarithmic regression chart, these are fire sale pricing, and market players are now at a loss. Also, CZ of Binance is one of the top individuals I want to follow and pay attention to, and he recently remarked this: "If you follow my channel, you'll know that I believe this is not the end of crypto." So there you have it, people. I hope you liked it. Please let me know if you believe this is the end of crypto or a once-in-a-lifetime purchasing opportunity. Let me know in the comments, but for now just know that if you enjoyed anything in the video, please leave a like. Also, a huge thank you to everyone who contributes to this channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so by clicking the button below. We have some fantastic videos coming soon that you won't want to miss. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Now coming back to Dogecoin, take a look at this. Doge is still trading around 6.5 cents. It's basically gained a little compared to last week and is doing better compared to last week than a lot of big cryptos out there. While some analysts believe that Dogecoin is going to zero and that Elon is going to stop supporting Dogecoin, I couldn't disagree more. I feel Doge can easily get to 15 to 20 cents by the end of this year.